Hey guys, for today's Gratitude, I bring you to the most unlikely place, and that is New York City, where finest the district attorney of the criminal court. And I say, the criminals, if you've stolen identity, if you've stolen $5 million, and identified $50 million, yeah, I don't care. It's $5.50. The point is, you don't steal. And frankly, these people are in New York, right down on Fifth Avenue. I know where the criminals are. Take them here, stick them on one of these buses, and then I will have even more gratitude. But anyone go do anything, this is how you do it. Have your gratitude. Adventure on. I'm on the 16, buddy. I love you. Adventure on. Some of us have to speak up. Let's see. Can someone in flip-flops make a financial crime report and identity theft in New York City? We'll see. I'd love to. My calling card for the district attorney: prosecute the Adams people. Joel Mirrer, John R Perlman, Michael Falk. Line them up. Yeah. If you want to add a dimlet for Morton, you're lucky. But take away the abuse. This is not a victimless crime. My nephew's dead. Taking out millions of dollars, this is hurting people. It is enough. It is time for the cycle of abuse to end. So, anyone going through it, stay in it. Have your child too. Yeah.